In this video, I'll show you how to improve Grok AI responses in 2026. If Grok is giving you answers that are too short, too general, or not exactly what you need, the best solution is to improve the way you write your prompts. First, instead of asking a very general question, clearly explain what you want Grok to do. The more specific your instructions are, the easier it is for Grok to understand your goal. For example, instead of simply saying, "Write an article about AI," provide more details. Tell Grok what the topic should be, who the audience is, what tone you want, and how you want the information organized. You can also provide context before asking your main question. Explain the situation, your goal, and any important information Grok should consider. Another useful technique is to specify the format of the response. You can ask Grok to use bullet points, numbered steps, a table, a short summary, or a detailed explanation. If you want a particular writing style, tell Grok exactly what you prefer. For example, you can request a professional, friendly, simple, conversational, or beginner-friendly tone. You can also tell Grok what to avoid. If you don't want unnecessary introductions, complicated words, repetition, or overly long explanations, include those instructions in your prompt. For complex tasks, break your request into smaller steps. Instead of asking Grok to complete everything at once, ask it to analyze the problem first, create a plan, and then work through each part. If the first response isn't good enough, don't start over immediately. Ask a follow-up question and explain what needs to be changed. For example, you could say, "Make this explanation simpler, add more examples," or "Rewrite this in a more professional tone." You can also provide an example of the type of answer you want. This gives Grok a clearer idea of your preferred format and style. Finally, always review important AI-generated information.